our patch behind the farmhouse, where the pace of life is slow, there's a website where just real webs are used. We spend days away, ducks on, eating bread thrown on the water, in a way that keeps the younger kids amused. In our land both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck, and pheasant, if they had them, we'd be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and oven ready. It's a poultry tale of folks down on the farm. There's a turkey with a gobble, watch his legs begin to wobble, 'cause Thanksgiving isn't cause for some alarm. We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quails, and what the dickens? It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Oh, suspicion this is. It's kinda, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the smart. She goes in for heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers in our backyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Little chicks are mollycoddle, or the cat would like to do them grievous harm. He's our only source of worry, feathers rarely get to blurry. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Ha! How they flatter themselves. I never show much interest in this group. I admit I'm quite a glutton, but this feathered form of mutton wouldn't even make a palatable soup. But when those